Native Juice Co. may be the newest juice bar in Tulsa, but its Oklahoma roots have been growing for generations.
We wanted to name it Native Juice because it's pure and unadulterated, and also a nod to Oklahoma and that we're from here and natives to this region.
This family business came together with a blending of talents.
It was my dad's vision, and there are 4 kids in our family. One of my brothers is a CPA, and one is in marketing, and one is operations manager, and I try to help with the design as much as possible in the social media aspect. So my dad kind of brought all of us in for a family-run business.
And business has been humming ever since.
The juices are delicious. It's my favorite spot to pick up a juice or a smoothie.
It's nice to have some healthy options. For juices, there's not a lot of things like that in this, especially down in this area.
The menu features juices, meal replacement protein smoothies, and many yogurt-based smoothies.
We freshly make all of our juices and smoothies, and we try to use organic as much as possible, as much as they're available. We keep everything fresh and make everything to order.
There are more than a dozen drinks to choose from. All of the fruit is hand-selected. Ingredients range from chocolate to kale.
We have lots of names of things to do with Oklahoma and Tulsa. We have the Colden Driller and Okie from Muskogee and Route 66, PB&J. Thunder Up's our most popular.
This is my second time in. The first time I came in to try a juice and a smoothie, and I found myself craving the Colden Driller again. It was so good and refreshing.
Power Greens. That is my very favorite juice on the menu is Power Greens. I like encouragement. I love anything with mint in it.
Since we serve locally roasted coffee, our Coffee Lover smoothie is really popular. We use the cold brew from Cirque Coffee downtown.
You'll also find other items on the menu here like steel-cut oatmeal and even healthy juice shots that help with everything from allergies to the sniffles.
We also have lots of add-in ingredients that you can do for different health benefits. If you're looking for vitamin K or more iron or any of that in your diet, we have lots of add-ins.
Specials, muffins, and acai bowls round out the menu.
Acai is a berry, and acai bowls are kind of like a thicker smoothie that offers lots of health benefits. And so it's kind of like a smoothie in a bowl, and you can load it with all sorts of toppings, chocolate nibs, or more fruit, strawberries, bananas.
Native Juice Co., an Oklahoma-grown business with a healthy following.
I think I'll be coming back quite a bit.
It's a really special place. Definitely, if you're on this side of town, if you're on this side of the state, you have to swing by and see it.
Come give us a try. I guarantee you'll like your drink. And if not, we'll remake it.
In Tulsa, I'm Julie Chin, discovering Oklahoma.